Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to basically write in the italic format, you know, the bit slanted format. It's apparently the proper term is italize. I didn't know that first time I know it, but I just normally call it italic because, you know, Microsoft Word. Anyways, so it's pretty simple. I'm going to show you both ways of doing it, the simple way and then the bit complex way. First, let's start with the simple. Just write something. I have no idea. Spoiler. Alright, we wrote spoiler. This is the simple way, by the way. Highlight spoiler and then press on the I, basically. And it's gonna be in italic. The other way is put the star and then write spoiler and put a star again, and that's going to be italic once again. So these are the two ways of writing italic. I think out of all the other ones, like out of everything else, you know, this one, a bold, quotation, out of everything, I think italic is the most simple one to do because everything else requires you to do this. Just one star at the first, one star at the end. That's as simple as that. Anyways, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.